Hello guys, welcome to my channel. That name is Current Affair. Today I will discuss 401 to 500 question of Group D Science question. Without wasting time, start the question. Which organ purify blood in the human body? Heart, kidney, lungs, या liver? Let's find the answer. The answer is option number B, kidney. Next question. The process of converting sugar into an alcohol is called photosynthesis, fermentation, distillation, or sublimation. The answer is option number B, fermentation. Next question. The planet known as a red planet is Venus, Mars, Jupiter, or Saturn. The answer is option number B, Mars. Next question. Which gas is installed for respiration? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, या hydrogen? The answer is option number B, C, oxygen. Next question. Which of the following is not a renewable source of energy? Solar energy, wind energy, coal, या water energy? Answer is option number C, coal energy. The chemical formula of water is HCl, H2O, NaCl, SCO2. The answer is option number B, H2O. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Thyroid, liver, pancreas, या kidney? The answer is option number B, liver. Next question. The device used to measure current is voltmeter, ammeter, barometer, या hygrometer? The answer is option number B, ammeter. Which vitamin is produced in the body with the help of sunlight? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, या vitamin D? The answer is option number D, vitamin D. The study of fossils is geology, paleontology, या zoology, या botany? The answer is option number B, paleontology. Which blood group is called universal? A, B, O, या OAB? The answer is option number D, AB. Next question. The substance used in the pencil is graphite, charcoal, lead, या ink? The answer is option number B, A, graphite. Next question. The instrument used to measure blood pressure is thermometer, barometer, manometer, या hydrometer? The answer is option number C, spectrometer. Which is the nearest star to the Earth? Sun, Moon, Venus, या Jupiter? The answer is option number B, Sun. Next question. The process of separation of cream from milk is filtration, centrifugation, evaporation, या sedimentation? The answer is option number B, centrifugation. The chemical symbol of sodium is Na, So, Sd, या Sn? The answer is option number A, Na. Let's find the next question. The unit of a work is watt, joule, Newton, या Pascal? The answer is option number B, joule. Next question. Who discovered the electron? Rutherford, J.J. Thomas, Bohr, या Einstein? The answer is option number B, J.J. Thomas. Which gas is used in the fire extinguisher? ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन या हीलियम? The answer is option number B, carbon dioxide. Which part of a plant make food? Root, stem, leaf या flower? The answer is option number C, leaf. Next question. Which gas do green plant release during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen या hydrogen? The answer is option B, oxygen. Which element is a liquid at room temperature? Mercury, solid, calcium, potassium? The answer is option number A, mercury. Next question. The SI unit of a force is watt, joule, Newton या Pascal? The answer is option number C, Newton. Next question. What is the main source of energy is in for Earth? Moon, sun, volcano या ocean? The answer is option number B, sun. Which vitamin prevent night blindness? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C या vitamin D? The answer is option number A, vitamin A. Next question. The chemical formula of carbon dioxide? CO, CO2, C2O या C2O2? The answer is option number B, CO2. The process of by plant which plant lose water? Photosynthesis, respiration, transpiration या condensation? The answer is option number C, transpiration. The fastest planet to revolve around the sun is Mercury, Venus, Earth या Mars? The answer is option number A, Mercury. The common unit of power is Newton, watt, joule, volt. The answer is option number B, watt. Next question. Let's find the next question. Which gas is known as a laughing gas? Nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, या oxygen या hydrogen? The answer is option number A, nitrous oxide. Let's find the next question. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Earth, Mars, Jupiter या Saturn? The answer is option number B, C, Jupiter. Let's find the next question. Which or organelle cell is called the powerhouse of the cell? Ribosome, nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast? The answer is option number C, mitochondria. Which acid is known as a which acid is present in the vinegar? Citric, acetic, tartic, या formic? The answer is option number B, acetic. Which type of mirror is used in the vehicle rear view mirror? Concave mirror, convex mirror, plane mirror, या speaker mirror? The answer is option number B, convex mirror. The speed of a sound is a maximum in air, water, steel, या vacuum? The answer is option number C, steel. Let's find the next question. The next question is the study of a plant is called geology, botany, ecology, या geology? The answer is option number B, botany. Next question. The element required for the respiration is carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, या helium? The answer is option number C, helium. C, oxygen. The hardest part of the human body is bone, teeth enamel, skull, nail. The answer is option number B, teeth enamel. Let's find the next question. The next question is which device is used to measure electric potential difference? Ammeter, a galvanometer, voltmeter या ohm meter? The answer is option number C. Let's find the next question. The ozone layer protects us from infrared rare, ultraviolet rare, visible light या X-ray? The answer is option number B. Ultraviolet rare rays. Next question. The element present in the all organ component is known as nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen या hydrogen? The answer is option number C. Carbon. Let's find the next question. The sound waves are transversion waves, longitudinal wave, electromagnetic waves, yeah, none of these. The answer is option number B. Longitudinal waves. Which of the following is not a noble gas? Neon, argon, oxygen, yeah, helium? The answer is option number C. Oxygen. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which vitamin help in clotting of blood? Vitamin A, B, C, या K? The answer is option number D. Vitamin K. Let's find the next question. Who discovered the law of gravitational? Einstein, Galileo, Newton, Kepler? The answer is option number C. Newton. Let's find the next question. The chemical symbol of a gold is AU, AG, GD, या GO? The answer is option number A, AU. Let's find the next question. The next question is question number 450. The purest form of water is. The purest form of water is rainwater, tap water, sea water, and distilled water. The answer is option number D. Distilled water. Let's find the next question. The electric resistance is measured in ohm, volt, watt, या joule? The answer is option number A, ohm. Let's find the next question. The next question is the instrument used to measure temperature, barometer, hygrometer, thermometer, या manometer? The answer is option number C, thermometer. Let's find the next question. The chemical symbol of silver is Si, Ag, Eu, S. The answer is option number B, Ag. Let's find the next question. Which planet is called the Earth twins? Mars, Venus, Mercury, Saturn? Yeah. Answer is option number B, Venus. Let's find the next question. The next question is the unit of electric current is volt, ampere, ohm, या watt? The answer is option number B, ampere. Let's find the next question. The next question is which gas is responsible for global warming? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium? The answer is option number C, carbon dioxide. Let's find the next question. Which organ pump blood in the body? The kidney, liver, heart, या brain? The answer is option number C, heart. Let's find the next question. Which type of lens is used to correct short sightedness? Convex lens, concave lens, plano lens, या non? The answer is option number B, concave lens. Let's find the next question. The next question is which is the lightest gas? Hydrogen, helium, oxygen, या nitrogen? The answer is option number A, hydrogen. Let's find the next question. The next question is the study of bird is called ornithology, geology, ecology, या botany? The answer is option number A, ornithology. Next question. Which acid is found in curd? Tartic acid, lactic acid, या acetic acid, या tartic acid? The answer is option number B, lactic acid. Let's find the next question. Which part of the cell control activities? Nucleus, uh, cytoplasma, mitochondria, या ribosome? The answer is option number A, nucleus. The device that converts chemical energy into the electric energy is called generator, cell, motor, transformer. The answer is option number B, cell. Which gas is used to refining of fruit? Methane, ethane, carbon dioxide, या oxygen? The answer is option number B, ethane. Let's find the next question. The element installed for photosynthesis is sodium, potassium, magnesium, या iron. The answer is option number C, magnesium. Next question. Which element is the heaviest natural occurring element? Uranium, lead, thorium, या gold? The answer is option number B, A, uranium. Which is the largest bone in the human body? Tibia, femur, fibula, या humerus? The answer is option number B, femur. Let's find the next question. The SI unit of energy is joule, watt, volt, या ohm? The answer is option number A, joule. Let's find the next question. Which gas is known as a Mars gas? Ethane, methane, propane, या butane? The answer is option number B, methane. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which part of the human body brain control balance? Cerebellum, medulla, या pons? The answer is option number B, cerebellum. Let's find the next question. Which the gas used in the refrigerator is carbon dioxide, ammonia, oxygen, helium, yeah, ammonia. The answer is option number B, ammonium. Next question, the chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. NaSCO3, K2CO3, CaCO3. The answer is option number A, Na2CO3 10H2O. Who invented the telephone? Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, Marconi, Newton. The answer is option number A, Graham Bell. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which organ in the body produce insulin? Liver, kidney, pancreas, या heart? The answer is option number C, pancreas. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which planet has the maximum number of moons? Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Newton. The answer is option number B, Jupiter. Let's find the next question. Which blood cells is helping in clotting? RBC, WBC, platelets, या plasma? The answer is option number C, platelets. Let's find the next question. The next question is, the element used for making pencil lead? Graphite, carbon, lead, या zinc? The answer is option number A, graphite. Let's find the next question. Which gas is used in the welding? Oxygen, hydrogen, ethylene, acetylene, या helium? The answer is option number C, acetylene. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which part of the eyes control the amount of lighting enter? Cornea, iris, retina, या lens? The answer is option number B, yes. Let's find the next question. Which disease is caused due to the deficiency of iodine? Goiter, night blindness, rickets, या Shakraveri? The answer is option number A, goiter. Let's find the next question. The process of a gaseous exchange in a plant take place through xylem, phloem, stomata, या root hair? The answer is option number A. C. Stomata. Which type of energy is posed by the moving body? Potential energy, kinetic energy, sound energy. The answer is option number B. Kinetic energy. Let's find the next question. The outermost layer of the skin is dermis, epidermis, fat layer, a muscle layer. The answer is option number B. Epidermis. Next question, which instrument is used to measure watch speed, wind speed, barometer, anemometer, hygrometer, odometer? The answer is option number B, anemometer. Let's find the next question. Which gas is responsible for acid rain? Oxygen, sulfur oxide, nitrogen, helium? The answer is option number B, sulfur oxide. Sulfur dioxide. Which vitamin is also called the riboflavin? Vitamin B12, vitamin B2, vitamin 6, vitamin B1. The answer is option number B, vitamin B2. Let's find the next question. The chemical formula of a gypsum is CHSO4 2H2O. The answer is option number A, SO4 2H2O. Let's find the next question. The color of a chlorophyll is red, blue, green, yellow. The answer is option number green. Option number C. Let's find the next question. The next question is, who invented the light bulb? Newton, Edison, Faraday, Watt? The answer is option number B, Edison. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which gas is responsible for depletion of the ozone layer? CO2, CFCs, methane, NO2. The answer is option number B, CFCs. Let's find the next question. Which part of the ear maintain balance? The semicircle canals, eardrum, auditory nervous. The answer is option number B, semicircle canal. Which element is necessary for the blood clotting? Iron, sodium, calcium, magnesium. The answer is option number C. Calcium. Let's find the next question. The instrument used to measure pressure of a gas is manometer, hygrometer, voltmeter, ammeter. The answer is option number A. Manometer. Let's find the next question. Which gas is filled in the CPL tube light? Nitrogen, argon, neon, hydrogen. The answer is option number A. Argon. Let's find the next question. Which study of a fish is called? Ornithology, ichthyology, entomology, hyperotology? The answer is option number B, ichthyology. The study of a pressure, the unit of a pressure is watt, Pascal, joule, Newton. The answer is option number B, Pascal. Let's find the next question. The which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D? Rickets, night blindness, Shakraveri, goiter. The answer is option number A, ricket. Let's find the next question. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. Let's find the next question. 499. The question of 499 is, which element is used to making filament of a bulb? Copper, aluminum, tungsten, iron? The answer is option number C, tungsten. Let's find the next question. Please like and support me. If any wrong answer, please comment on the comment box. Let's find the last question. The last question is, the human heart has how many chambers? 2, 3, 4, 5? The answer is option number C, 4. This one was complete. 401 to 500 question. Total 100 question. Tomorrow I will discuss 501 to 600 question. This is the 1000 question. I will tell you 1000 question of general science. Then after the current affair of 1000 series. Thank you for watching and supporting me.